What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for joining in. So I'm pretty excited to welcome back the 2015 C7 Z06. Now, for those of you who've been following the channel, the last time you guys saw this car, it was only one time you've seen this car on the channel so far. It raced the AMG GTR. So now he's back, and just a little recap of what's done to this car. He's equipped with a Magnuson 2650 supercharger, heads cam, long tubes, X-pipe, and he has one pulley done to the car, and he's on an E50 tune with meth injection.
Wow.
Now, these cars weigh a little over 3,500 pounds.
Damn near everything I would do. I'll be like, are you selling it? And I'll pick that up.
And he is running on NT05R tires. And you see how they're 345 wide. Now this one is equipped with the 7-speed manual transmission. And you just got an upgraded clutch, so you should not be slipping like you did back then with the AMG. So I'm going to be assuming this car is probably making somewhere around mid-800s to the wheels.
Wow.
But we're not sure, because he did not get it dynoed. So, he's going to be running up against a 2021 Shelby GT500. Now, many of you guys are familiar with the car already. Now, for those of you guys who are new on the channel, I'm going to give
Yeah, I gotta add him, because I done a few videos, and he won them all. For real.
a little recap of what's done to this car. This car has an X-pipe, upgraded intake, and an upper pulley with upgraded injectors on an E85 tune. Now, this car made 870 wheel horsepower on a DynoJet dyno. And let me just show you what tires he's running on.
That's crazy.
He's running on Toyota R888s, and they are 325 wide. Now, these cars are a lot heavier than the Z06s. These things weigh around 4,200
It's like a heavyweight battle right here.
pounds.
Heavyweight
But
fight.
because this is DCT against a manual, and they probably make around the same horsepower, should be a good race. Only one way to find out. So both cars will be taking one passenger.
And don't even like complain about the DCT versus manual. He just explained that. Like, damn.
So let's see how it goes.
Damn. Oh my god. Oh shit. You see how he's just like, whoa. Torque machine. It is. Hey. Hey. I don't know which one is better. That 500 or this Z06?
Alright, guys. So I'm here in the C7Z. And the first race we're going to do
Damn.
is 60.
He did a 60 roll in third gear. I mean, this is why y'all complain about DCT versus manual, because, like you said, this shows right here the difference between the DCT versus manual.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I guess I might as well not even get a manual, because if I'm that far off in a race, is it worth it? Damn, you got that crazy. Damn. I guess this is not fair. I guess so.
We're going to do that 60 one more time.
Let's see.
Just so you guys are aware, we did that 60 in third gear, and now we're going to be doing it in second gear. So we're going to be in much higher RPMs. Alright, so here we go.
Second gear. I know this is obvious, but in second gear, 60 roll, that Corvette is just another level. I mean, look what he just did. Damn. And that Corvette sounds way better to me, in my opinion, than a Mustang. This is crazy. Man, I can't wait to get the ZL6. This, okay, maybe I gotta take back what I said. I gotta take back what I said. Hey, I'm laughing because my dad just yelling at the dog. Hey, never mind. I'll take back what I said.